is going on, guys? I'm right here at the Long Beach ports. This terminal is called Hanjin, or also known as TTI. So first I gotta go take my empty to spot location T500s, and the top handler is gonna take off my empty, and then I'm gonna go to my load location, which is in the M500s, and that's where they're gonna load me up with my loaded container. Here's the top handler taking off an empty, and then he's gonna stack it up. I just gotta pull forward and then do the same thing. I'm pulling up to my loaded location. I gotta go to M506, which is right here. So that's my load right here, this yellow container. And I think this top handler is probably gonna come pick it up and then load me up. And there we go, we got a crane coming my way. So I gotta pull up side by side next to this container so that the crane can pick it up and then load me up. And this is pretty much my display for my camera setup. Now the guy's gonna guide me to go forward or go backward. Crane's picking it up, and then I just gotta listen to the guy. And now I can take off, nice and easy. So I just picked up my load. Man, it's like a ghost town in here inside Hanjin. There's like hardly any trucks. Seems like all the blocks are empty. And they got 3 container ships that they're unloading on the dock. But I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's like it feels eerie. Like it seems like it's been busy for the port company that I haul for. Like they've been keeping me and my driver loaded every day, Monday through Friday. But it's just weird. Every time we go to the ports, it's like there's no long line to get inside the port. And then when we get inside, there's hardly any trucks picking up loads. So I don't know, is it because a bunch of companies went out of business? Because I know a lot of companies did. I know a lot of companies went out of business. But I don't know. I'm just here trying to survive, man. Just like everyone else. And I'll take what I can get. It's been busy every day. I want to say ever since they did the tariff pause. And then they just announced today that they're doing another tariff pause for China. And that's gonna last until November. And then plus CPI inflation reports came in, and I guess the data from that, everybody's saying that now it's going to trigger a rate cut. So that means Jerome Powell is finally going to cut the interest rates. It's going to make it easier or make it cheaper to get loans again. So that'll be better for our economy, and especially for the trucking industry to get volumes back up, hopefully get those rates back up on these loads. Hopefully all loads, man, whether it's like local or over the road. I just hope they bring up the rates again, man. But as of right now, at least the volume is up. Because like I said, we're getting loads every day, Monday through Friday. Even sometimes we're working on Saturdays too. But yeah, that's the only missing piece of the puzzle, man, is bringing up those rates. Like right now, like a 60-mile trip one way, before it would be like $250, or a full round trip would be like $500. And now it's like a full round trip is anywhere from like $350 to $400, which is a big difference, you know, considering all the expenses, you know, fuel, trucking payment, if you have a trucking payment, insurance, and then you got road taxes every year. And then, you know, not to mention all the repairs, especially with all that DEF crap. There's always freaking repairs. Shoot, last month I had to spend like close to, I want to say $6,000 within a 4-week time span, just on my emission system. So yeah, and then plus I had everything due last month, like my insurance, my registration on one of the trucks. I still got to pay my road taxes, and that's $500 per truck, plus whatever fee. And I got 2 trucks, so that's $1,100 right there. And I'm like, damn, like I was barely, you know, starting to get back on my feet, and then there went all my money towards all that stuff. But I mean, thank God it's been busy. It's been consistent, loads every day. But you know, I'm just keeping my head up, keep trying, and you know, all I can do is try my best. But anyways, let me know how you guys are doing, man. How you guys surviving? Whether you're a company driver, owner operator, OTR, local, let me know what's going on in your life. If you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you. If you're out there driving, drive safe, and I hope you have a blessed day.